Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another episode of Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps busy women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful, quick and easy classic smoky eye. This look is completely timeless and goes with absolutely every lip color. It's one of my all-time fave looks. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. For this lesson, you will need a large blending brush, a smaller blending brush, a pencil brush, and then also an angled brush for your liner. You're going to need a couple of different eyeshadows, two matte brown shades, a light and a medium shade depending on your skin tone. You will need a dark brown eyeshadow. You could also use a black if you want something a little bit more smoky, and then also a shimmer shade for the lid. You could go for champagne, gold, rose gold, whatever you desire. You will also need a gel and pencil liner of your choice, and then you can finish off with mascara or lashes. So first of all, we're going to start off by priming our lids. I don't always mention this, but it's so important to make sure that your eyeshadows do not crease throughout the day. Then you want to take your larger blending brush, and today I'm going to show you a different technique. So we're going to start off by placing the lightest matte brown eyeshadow on the outer corner of the lid. Wherever the brush touches first is going to have the most pigment, so pack the color on there and then start to swirl the brush around to blend out the eyeshadow. If you hold the brush at the end of the handle, it will give you the least amount of pressure and control, which will give you a nice flawless blend. So swirl your brush around until everything is blended nicely, and then you can go in with the darker matte brown shade. And again, you're just building up the intensity and the pigment, applying it on the same area, and then just swirling the brush around to blend out the eyeshadows, and this will give you a beautiful flawless blend. Once you're happy with the pigment and the color payoff, you can then start to blend the blending brush back and forth across the crease of the eye in windshield wiper motions. This will help blend everything out smoothly, give you a flawless blend, but still you're focusing the main amount of color in the outer corner, and that's what gives you that very sexy, sultry, smoky eye. Then you want to take your shimmery eyeshadow and start to pack this on using your finger. The reason why we use our finger instead of a brush is because it's going to give you a sheerer coverage, so you're going to be able to see your skin underneath, so it's almost transparent. Now you want to take a gel liner of your choice, and I'd recommend using a gel over a pen because it's going to be easier to smoke out. So you want to take your angled brush, whatever brush you feel comfortable with, and you just want to stamp the liner onto the lash line. So don't worry too much about this because you will be smoking it out, but just focus on getting that liner right into the lash line. So stamp it on if you feel it's easier, and then once you're happy with your liner, you can then take a little Q-tip or a cotton bud and very gently start to smoke out the liner. This will give you a beautiful, sultry, smoky liner. It's just my all-time favorite finish. Then you want to take the smaller blending brush and a bit of the dark brown eyeshadow, pack it onto the outer corner, and then just blend it very gently over the liner just to smoke it out. Then you can go back in with the larger blending brush and no additional product, and just make sure everything is blended flawlessly together. And this is the benefits of going in with the smaller blending brush, because you have a lot more precision and control, so you can just pack on the color where you need it. Then you can just take a pencil brush and a tiny bit more of the dark brown eyeshadow and just blend it out on the lower lash line, just to connect the top lash line and the lower lash line together. And then you can finish off the look however you desire. If you want to go in with a black liner in the waterline, white liner to open up the eyes, you could just put a little bit of shimmer in the inner corner to make the eyes pop, and then you can finish off with mascara or lashes. So it really is completely up to you how you finish off the look, but this is the basics to a classic smoky eye. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup lesson and found it useful. If you did, let me know in the comment section what tip you found most valuable from this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and you can check out my Beginner's Guide to Makeup playlist, which I'll leave in the top right hand corner. Also, don't forget to check back next Tuesday for another makeup lesson, and I do have a very exciting new series coming to my channel, so do stay tuned for that as well. I hope you have a great day. Bye!